Hello, friends. I am Ducky the Duck. Quack, quack. Let's learn a new bird today. Wow, look at that big bird. What is it? It's an eagle. Can you say eagle? Eagle. That's right, eagle. Eagles make a loud sound. Screech, 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 screech. Can you make the eagle sound? Eagles fly high in the sky. They soar so high. Let's fly like an eagle. Spread your wings and fly. Fly, fly, fly. Yay, you did it. Please subscribe to Dr. D Duck. See you next time.